Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to solve Java 1D array problem on HackerRank. Let's read the problem statement. So, yes, uh, yeah, here they mention some of information about array and what are they, and also they mention how to define an array in Java. So, just long story short, let's discuss how the array store data or what is the array. So array is nothing but it is a kind of data structure just like int and other, but it store the value in a sequential order. So how the sequential order means is that if suppose there is a variable a which stores a value 10, and also then a variable we store a value again 11, and so on. So suppose uh, there are 1,000 variable and we have to store that 1,000 variable, then we have to initialize each variable with a variable name, right? So it is kind of hectic task to do. So Java introduced a data structure which is called array, in we which we can store as many variable as we can using array data structure. So suppose if we have to store 10, then 11, we can store it in this uh, in array, and then we can access that element by assigning their indexes. So here, as you can see, we can access this is R A and this is RB. So here I'm just redefining A and B, but in real life example, we can use this the variable inside this array of index 0, directing uh, direct using this keyword, right? So you are thinking why I am using 0 as it starts from 1, right? So in array, there is an index for each and every element. So suppose it starts from 10, then the index will be 0, and it's go on till the number of elements present in the array. So let's start how we can create a new array. So this is the syntax for new array, and here in square bracket we have to mention an amount or the number of the size of an array. So the size of array is simply says that we can store 1,000 variable in this particular variable, or say array. So yeah, this is how we define array, and this is and to access each and every variable in the array, I just told you that. The another way to uh, define array is like this. So uh, value variables sorry the values inside the curly braces, and yeah, and then we can access that particular variable by using their indexes. So so yeah, this is how we define array and access the variable in the array. Also we can create other array for other data structure also, data type also, sorry. So here, this is we can create a array of char. So yeah, this is how we create array of char. Again, defining array, we can also add a square bracket in front of char instead of the variable name. So yeah, it doesn't matter how you wanted to code this or define the array, but we only have one square bracket, not two, because because then uh, it will send us the error because yeah. So yeah, that's so yeah, this is what the array is. Okay, so yeah, I told all about this, and this is how we're going to print the element in the array. Okay, so our task is that read an integer from. Okay, we have to read a integer. Let expand this. What is there? Okay, so n is already written. The code for reading the variable n is already there. So yeah, we don't have to read any variable. Okay, then read n integers. Okay, so we have to read n number of integer that they are going to send us, and attempt to print each element of an array. Okay, so yeah, they also printed that element, so we don't have to do that also. Just we have to create an array, and then we have to loop through n number of times to get all the element in that array. So let's do this. We can create an array of new int, and here they mention the size of array would be the number of elements would be n. So we created this way, and then we will create a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So as I told you earlier that the index for array starts from 0. So yeah, this is our loop also starts from 0. And yes, okay, so then we are going to get c dot, oh sorry, used scan dot. Okay, so we are using this scan method, next in method, to get the element in that particular index. Then as soon as we got the number in zero index, then it will move forward to 1, and this loop is going to run till n minus 1. So n minus 1 will be the last index of that array. Yes, there are n elements, but still it run through n minus 1 because the one index is already taken by 0. So yeah, this is what it is. Let's try to run this code. Okay, sorry, they are mentioned here a. So we have to mention the name of this array a. Yes, I thought so. Okay, sample test is run successfully. Start to submit it. Yes, it's submitted. So yeah, this is how we are going to solve the uh, Java boundary array problem on HackerRank. So yeah, we'll meet you guys in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.